This is a public service announcement. Today we will be talking about 4 light bulbs and their energy efficiency in your home. The first light bulb is the incandescent. At 66 cents a piece, it's the cheapest of all our light bulbs and also costs the least to run at $2.96 per month. However, it lasts the least amount of time, at 1,000 to 2,000 hours, so you'll be replacing it more often. It also loses a lot of heat energy, 16.31 degrees per month, which is the most out of all of the light bulbs in terms of heat loss.
The second is the halogen light bulb. It lasts 4,000 to 8,000 hours, which is much more than the incandescent light bulb. Its monthly cost is $4.67, so it's slightly more expensive, and the brightness is the same. It uses much more energy than the fluorescent and LED light bulbs at 96.9 watts, but less than the incandescent light bulb. Its disposal is also free. Its heat loss is 16.31 degrees a month, which is not efficient.
The fluorescent light bulb uses 700 lux. It costs 50 cents to $1 to dispose of, which is more expensive than the incandescent. It costs $1.44 monthly, which is also less expensive than the incandescent. It lasts 10,000 hours, which is much more than the incandescent, which lasts about 1,000 hours. It uses only around 30 watts of power, and it's more efficient. The LED light bulb uses 720 lux, which is more than the others. Its monthly cost is $10.15, which is also more expensive than the others, but it makes up for that because it lasts about 30,000 to 50,000 hours, which is 30 to 50 times longer than incandescent. It also uses around 20 watts of power, which is less than the incandescent.
In the physics room, we discovered there are 48 4-foot 28-watt fluorescent light bulbs used to light the room. Each bulb costs $10.97, which is 10 times what an incandescent bulb costs. We calculated how much it would cost to run those lights for 8 hours per day for 5 years. That cost is $2,183.65. The fluorescent light bulbs only last about 1 year, so each bulb would have to be replaced every year, and there are 48 bulbs. To accommodate the physics room, we came up with 3 low-cost measures that we can take. The first of 3 options to lower the cost of lighting in the physics room is by using LED light bulbs instead of fluorescent light bulbs. LEDs last approximately 3 to 5 times longer than fluorescent light bulbs, but they do cost slightly more. We use the same formula to calculate how much it would cost for 5 years of lighting in the physics room, and we got that with LEDs it would be $1,672.70. The second option that we came up with was turning lights off for all passing periods, lunch, and access. By doing that, the lights would be off for over an hour and a half more. By doing that, and by using LED light bulbs, we calculated that for 5 years, the cost would be reduced down to $1,324.22. And the third option would be to use half the number of LED bulbs. So we divided the previous number by 2 and got $662.11. In total, if we used all 3 options, we could save $1,500.